August 17th, 4:30, Shenandoah National Park. Currently in a rainstorm. I had a fire going. Just gonna make some coffee. And the fire is almost put out now. I got here around 1:30, between 1:30 and 2 o'clock, and set up camp. Wasn't planning on going anywhere tonight. Wasn't sure about the weather. There was rain in the forecast, but it was 30% chance. Apparently the weather people here aren't like in Ohio, where they just say 50%. Anyway, it's beautiful down here, and hopefully I have enough lantern juice to read tonight. If not, then I will just lay down and think about why I'm here. But it's beautiful here. When I got here, the sun was shining. There were butterflies and wildflowers and just views, and very pretty area of Virginia. So, almost a 7-hour drive, winding roads. But haven't seen any bears yet. But I had to sign a waiver that I understand how to store my food so bears don't get in it, which I thought was interesting. And if I don't, and bears come, I get fined $80. So, everything's locked up in the car, food-wise. All I have in my tent is water. So if I want to go out in the rain and eat, I can totally do that. But I think for now I'll just stay in my tent. Signing off.